Hi guys, it's Tav, and I just want to do a quick video on this machine that we purchased a while back. It's the Nespresso Vertuo Next, and it makes great coffee. I've heard the reviews, the pluses and the minuses, but I can tell you it's a great machine, and I do recommend you buy it. Now, depending on how heavy you use it, you got to do some preventive maintenance. If not, the machine's just going to give you a problem or it's just going to stop. So we use it every day. So we clean it once every 2 weeks and we descale it once every 3 months. And if you do that, you should be fine. I'm going to show you how to clean it, and I'm also going to show you how to descale it because it's a little complicated, but we'll go step by step. Okay, so before we can start the cleaning process, we need to prepare the machine for the cleaning process. The first thing that we need to do is fill up the water container at the back of the machine with water. Just clean water, no detergent, no anything in there, just clean water. On the side of the machine, there's the pot dispensers. You need to clean out, just empty the dispenser out. And you need to take this lower tray out, clean it, obviously, take it out, and put any old container underneath so it can catch the water when it goes through the cleaning process. Then we want to open up the machine, unlock it, and we obviously we want to make sure that there's no puck in the machine. Let's put that back. We want to make sure there's nothing in there. Okay, and then we're going to close the machine. But we don't want to lock it, because as soon as we lock it, we're going to be starting the cleaning process. Right. Okay, so we got the machine all ready to go. We got the container underneath there, like I told you. So now it's in the unlocked position. We're going to lock it. Now it's going to light up at the top while it heats up, and we're going to wait for a little bit here, and then we're going to press the button 3 times within 2 seconds, and now it's blinking. You can hear the motor, and it's now going through the cleaning process, and it'll take up to 7 minutes for it to clean. So you can see that it's going through the process. There's water going into the container. The light at the top is blinking, and you hear the motor working. So everything's fine. Just gotta wait for it to finish the process. So as you can see, the light stopped blinking. It's solid white, and the cleaning process has stopped. We got the dirty water in this container, and I'd say about half of the water container was dispensed into the machine, and you've now cleaned your unit. On our next episode, so this was easy peasy, easy to do, and you should do it once every 2 weeks if you use the machine every day. The next episode, I'm going to show you how to descale the machine. Now that's a little bit more complicated, but don't worry, I'm going to take you step by step so that you don't make a mistake and it works perfectly for you. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.